Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point, the Toyota 2.0 D-4D engine, designated as the 2WW, is another product of the collaboration between Toyota and BMW. Introduced around 2015, it is essentially a modified version of the BMW N47 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine, adapted by Toyota for use in their vehicles, primarily the Toyota Avensis and Toyota RAV4, replacing the older 2.2D 4D 280FD/FHV engines in those markets. This strategic move allowed Toyota to offer more advanced, efficient, and emissions-compliant diesel options without the immense cost of developing them in-house, especially as the demand for diesel engines began to wane in some regions. History and versions. Origins. The 2WW is based on the 2.0-liter variant of BMW's N47 engine. Toyota implemented a range of changes to integrate it into their platforms, including bespoke engine mounts, a new dual-mass flywheel, a revised gearbox housing and gearing, and Toyota's own stop/start system. Introduction. First appeared in Toyota models like the Avensis and RAV4 around 2015. Configuration. Inline 4-cylinder, 16-valve DOHC. Displacement, 2.0 liters, 1,995 cubic centimeters. Turbocharger. Equipped with a variable geometry turbocharger for optimal performance across the rev range. Fuel system. High-pressure common rail, direct injection. Emissions technology. Designed to meet Euro 5 and more notably Euro 6 emission standards, featuring a diesel particulate filter, DPF. Some versions might also incorporate selective catalytic reduction, SCR, with AdBlue, though the N47 typically relied heavily on the DPF and a lean NOx trap for compliance. Power and torque. Typically produces around 105 kilowatts, 141 horsepower, 143 PS of peak power and 320 Nm, 236 lb-ft of torque. This offered a good balance of performance and fuel efficiency for the vehicles it powered. Review and opinions. Similar to the 1.6D 4D 1WW, the 2WW engine's reputation is heavily influenced by its BMW N47 lineage. When performing as intended, it's generally well regarded. Refinement. The N47 series engines were known for their smoothness and relatively quiet operation for a diesel, and this quality largely carried over to the 2WW. Performance. Offers strong and flexible performance, making it well-suited for larger models like the Avensis and RAV4. The torque delivery is good, making for relaxed driving. Fuel economy. Generally excellent for a 2.0-liter diesel, contributing to low running costs. Reliability concerns. This is the primary area of debate. While Toyota's modifications aim to improve reliability, the underlying design of the N47 engine, particularly its notorious timing chain issues, often makes potential buyers and owners wary. Advantages. Strong performance. Provides ample power and torque, making vehicles feel responsive and capable, especially on highways. Excellent fuel economy. A major selling point, offering impressive MPG figures for its class. High refinement. Operates smoothly and quietly for a diesel, enhancing the driving experience. Timing chain. Utilizes a timing chain, theoretically a fit-and-forget component, which can reduce scheduled maintenance costs compared to timing belts. However, this is also its biggest vulnerability. See disadvantages. Euro 6 compliance. Meets stringent emissions regulations, making it suitable for modern low-emission zones. Disadvantages. Inherited BMW N47 timing chain issues. This is the most critical and widely discussed drawback. The N47 engine family has a well-documented history of timing chain stretch and failure, which can lead to catastrophic engine damage. Although Toyota might have used different suppliers or subtly revised parts, the fundamental design, with the chain located at the rear of the engine, requiring gearbox removal for replacement, remains a significant cost concern. DPF issues. Like all modern diesels, it is susceptible to DPF clogging, especially with frequent short journeys that prevent proper regeneration cycles. This can lead to reduced performance and costly DPF cleaning or replacement. EGR valve carbon buildup, common in modern diesel engines, leading to carbon deposits that can restrict airflow, reduce efficiency, and trigger warning lights. Injector problems. While less prevalent than timing chain issues, fuel injector problems can occur, impacting performance and fuel economy. Potentially high repair costs. Due to the complexity and design of certain components, e.g., timing chain location, repairs can be labor-intensive and expensive. Faults and breakdowns, key issues. Timing chain failure. Cause. Primarily due to premature wear and stretching of the timing chain and/or failure of its guides and tensioners. The location at the back of the engine makes diagnosis and repair extremely expensive. Symptoms. A distinct metallic rattling or whirring noise, particularly audible on cold start, accelerating, or when idling. This noise often comes from the rear of the engine. Can progress to engine warning lights, rough running, or complete engine failure if the chain snaps. Solution: replacement of the entire timing chain kit, chain, guides, tensioners, sprockets. This is a major engine out or gearbox out job, very costly. Prevention: using high-quality, specified low-ash synthetic oil and adhering to, or even shortening, oil change intervals is crucial. Listening for early warning signs is vital. DPF clogging. Cause: insufficient DPF regeneration cycles, e.g., too many short city trips without highway driving or sensor malfunctions. Symptoms: DPF warning light illuminated, reduced engine power, limp mode, increased fuel consumption, white or black smoke from the exhaust. Solution: forced regeneration by a mechanic, professional DPF cleaning, or DPF replacement in severe cases. Prevention: regular longer drives at sustained speeds to allow the DPF to complete regeneration cycles. Using correct, low-ash engine oil. EGR valve and cooler blockage. Cause: accumulation of carbon deposits from exhaust gases. Symptoms: rough idle, loss of power, reduced fuel economy, increased emissions, engine warning light. Solution: cleaning or replacement of the EGR valve and cooler. Fuel consumption. The 2WW engine delivers impressive fuel economy for a 2.0-liter diesel, often outperforming older engines it replaced. Official combined cycle, e.g., Toyota Avensis 2.0D, 4D often quoted in the range of 4.5 to 5.5 L/100 km, around 50 to 60 mpg Imperial/40 to 50 mpg US. For the 2015 Plus Avensis, reported figures are around 62.8 mpg Imperial combined, which is approximately 4.5 L/100 km. Real-world driving achieves very good economy in mixed driving. Highway driving can often see figures well into the 4.0 to 5.0 L/100 km range. Combined/urban driving, typically 5.5 to 7.0 L/100 km, depending heavily on driving style and traffic conditions. Timing. The Toyota 2.0D 4D2WW engine uses a timing chain to synchronize the camshafts and crankshaft. Maintenance. Theoretically, a timing chain is designed to last the life of the engine, unlike timing belts that require periodic replacement. This eliminates a scheduled maintenance cost. Reality. As detailed above, the 2WW engine, due to its BMW N47 heritage, is known for issues with its timing chain. Despite being a chain, it can stretch or wear prematurely, leading to critical problems. Inspection. Any unusual rattling or whirring noise from the engine, especially from the back, should prompt immediate investigation by a specialist. Oil. Oil type. Critical for the longevity of this engine, especially due to the DPF and the sensitive timing chain. It requires a low-ash, low-SAPS, sulfate ash, phosphorus, sulfur, synthetic diesel engine oil. Look for specifications such as ACEA C2 or C3. Given its BMW origin, oils also meeting BMW Longlift 04 LL 04 are often explicitly recommended or cross-compatible. Viscosity. The most commonly recommended viscosity is SAE 5W30. Other viscosities like 0W30 or 5W40 might be specified, depending on climate and regional variations, but 5W30 is standard. Always consult your specific vehicle's owner's manual for the precise recommendation. Oil capacity. The engine oil capacity is typically around 5.0 liters. Change interval. Toyota's recommended interval is generally 15,000 kilometers, approximate 9,000 miles or 12 months, whichever comes first. However, to mitigate the risk of timing chain issues and to ensure DPF health, many experts and owners strongly advise shortening the oil change interval to 10,000 kilometers or 6,000 miles, especially for vehicles used primarily for short urban trips or if any concerns about engine noise arise. Using only top-tier brand oils that meet the exact specifications is also highly recommended. Versions. The 2WW engine primarily existed as one main version in terms of power output, around 143 PS. Any versions would refer to its application in different Toyota models, Avensis, RAV4, or minor internal revisions made during its production run. In summary, the Toyota 2.0D 4D2WW engine represents Toyota's pragmatic approach to offering competitive diesel engines by leveraging BMW's expertise. It delivers excellent fuel economy and refinement, making it a pleasant engine when it's running well. However, the inherited timing chain issues from the BMW N47 platform are a significant concern, potentially leading to very expensive repairs. Potential buyers should be acutely aware of this risk, and current owners must prioritize diligent maintenance with the correct oil and pay close attention to any unusual engine noises to ensure its longevity. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.